Hello, I'm Dr. Andrea Bishop, and I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to help prepare you for August the 23rd, which is coming up very soon, and is also our very first day of classes for the Master of Arts in Organizational Leadership. When you come to the pipeline.harding.edu page, this is where you will log in, and it's also how you can access your courses online. When you come to this page, click on the login button and do your login. And once you've done that, the best way to find Canvas for the first time is to type it in to the search bar at the top of the page. Once you've done that, Canvas will pop up here. You will click on it. It will prompt you with a login, which you will do there. And then you'll find yourself on a page that looks something like this. This is the student view for LEAD 6102, which is the course that I will be teaching. It is Organizational Communications. Once you find yourself on this page, you have a couple of options for navigating around on the site. You can always start here with the modules button. You can also use the menu here, modules, syllabus. You'll have grades, not that first week, but later. This is how you access the other people in your class. On the right-hand side, you will see a list of upcoming assignments. So this is a good way to sort of keep track of what's coming up next. Let's go ahead and click on syllabus to show you how to find your course materials. So these are the required materials for my class. These are the books that are required. This will be listed in every class that you have in the syllabus button. So click on syllabus to find those materials. Secondly, the modules button. On the very first day of class, on August the 23rd, you need to be logging in, and you need to do what we call the 0 module, which is the first module, the beginning module. It's the welcome, and so you'll get a welcome from your instructor, and then you will also do a very short introduction of your own. Those will be due on the first day of class, so you don't want to put this off. I'm going to go ahead and log in on Monday the 23rd. Start here and make sure you do your introduction that day as well. The rest of the week is actually Module 1. So Module 1 is the first week's classes. This is what's going to be happening in my class in Module 1. As you can see, we will be off to the races. It's an 8-week course, which means there is a lot happening from the very first day. I think you're going to enjoy it. I know I'm going to enjoy it. I cannot wait for August 23rd. And I just want you to be set up and prepared to be successful. So on day 1, log in, get started. And if you have any questions at all, or if you have any difficulty, please email me at abishop5@harding.edu. I'm really excited to get to know you. I'm excited to see how well you do this semester. And I'm just thrilled that you said yes to this program.